Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about, is it land or is it water? So here's some words you're going to need to know. Globe, land, and map. And we'll talk about those while we read our paper on is it land or water. So this is Anna, and Anna is looking at a globe. What is the shape of a globe, boys and girls? That's right, it's a sphere. A globe is a round model of Earth. What is Earth? That's right, Earth is the planet that we live on. What do you see on this globe? Now Anna is pointing to a green and brown, a little bit red picture, and that shows land. So land is a place where people live. You can live on in water, but you have to live on a boat, and that would have to be on top of the water. What is a globe? This is a globe. A globe shows water and land. Land is the part of the earth that's not covered by water. So boys and girls, I want you to get a crayon, and I want you to get a blue crayon. So we're going to go ahead and color all of the not land, all of the water blue. So it's a little tricky in here, and I always like to start with the trickiest part first. We're trying not to color the land. The land is green and brown and a little bit yellow. And land, some of the land is really big, like these pieces. But way in here you can see some islands, so it's tricky not to color them. But just do your best. Don't worry about it being amazingly perfect. And I'm kind of doing a bubble color, which means I get close to the land, but I'm not trying to get so close that I'll drive myself crazy by how small it is. So we're going to color in all that water that's represented by a picture on our globe. There we go. And globes, the reason that water is represented in blue is because most of the time when we look at water, it is blue. It does come in a lot of different colors, but for the most part it's blue. What is a map? A map is a drawing of a place as seen from above. This map shows land and water. So we are way down here, little itty bitty. So this is as if we were way, way, way far up high in the sky, maybe even out in outer space, looking down at the earth. So we know that this blue here is the water, and the land is mostly colored green with a little bit of brown and a little bit of orangey yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and try coloring the land. Mostly green. I'm not gonna, if you want to add a little bit more details, you can. So I'm going to color all the land green. And boys and girls, you know that if you need to go slower, you can always pause the video. But if I'm going at the right pace, you can just keep it on. So I'm trying really hard not to color in the land, or in the water, excuse me. I want to make sure that the water is blue and the land is green. I'm even going to try to get some of these islands that are out there. I won't try to get the little itty bitty ones, but like this one right here, I'll make sure I try to get that one because it's not too hard to get. And here's a big, big piece of land. So I can do a little bit more. Bigger strokes of coloring. Okay, almost got it all way down here. This. There, and now we're gonna do this area. All right, I think I've got it all. Can't forget Hawaii. There we go. Oops. A little bit over there.